Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. So this is my custom Toyota Land Cruiser FJ45 Troopy, casting by Hot Wheels Light. It's from the mod shop. It comes with a lot of different modification, and if you haven't watched my unboxing video, I will put the link somewhere in the video on the top. So I'm just gonna do a quick video showing you different configurations available with this casting. So just stay tuned. We'll do like A, B, C, and different configuration with all the mods available with this one. Everything is so small and tiny that I pre-installed everything on the roof rack just to save time. You can see all the accessories that could be on the roof rack are mounted there. So now let's quickly attach the roof rack to the casting. So once you have everything attached on your roof rack, it's very easy to put on the casting itself. It basically just slides into its place, and there are tabs on the side which if you push they just lock in there. So you just have to push the tabs. You see those tabs right there, and there it goes. It's on the casting now. So that's how it looks with everything on it. So this is one of the modification you can do on it, and then there's some more things you can add. So there are side steps, there is a tent, you can also change the wheels. So let's do that and show you how it looks after that. Now this is another configuration where you can have your tent mounted on the top of the roof. It actually goes onto the roof rack, so basically clips onto the roof rack, but takes some time. One thing interesting about this one, just move it in the center. If you take this off, you can see there's a sleeping bag inside, and there's actually a person sleeping in there. So you get your own person with this Hot Wheels. The only thing that's left to change is wheels. So let me quickly do that, and then I can get back to you and show you how it looks with the different set of wheels which came with this one. So there you go, you can see the different set of wheels. They're much more chunkier than what there was before. Also different design. It was very easy, you can just pull them out, and you also got a same spare wheel. Pull everything out and just put a new one. Well, that was everything with the casting, all the mod shops, everything that came with it. The only thing I couldn't fit was this little ladder that goes on the side, because every time I try to put it, it's too small for my hands. But yeah, apart from that, you see everything. There's two different configuration, and I think if you are someone who likes to modify, I think you're gonna like this one. It's really good. Just have some small I would say stuff to push those in, and the tabs are really small. Well, I like this casting. This is my first mod shop. I don't know if you ever got one, but look at these are not available in the stores. You have to order from Metal Creation. So yeah, go on the website, look if you like something. There are multiple of these now. So yeah, that's all. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.